Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Nestled among the hills of San Francisco, Nabi House by Fame architecture and design fuses the sophistication of an urban lifestyle with the tranquility of nature to boldly revitalize an existing three-story home. Initially approached by the clients to enhance the residence's kitchen and storage facilities, Fame architecture and design draws inspiration from the site's two juxtaposing vistas, one towards the sprawling city and the other towards the jungle-like rear garden, to craft a series of interventions that explore the beauty of dualities. According to David Lee and Marina Borderonet, founders of Fame architecture and design, transformation is the main concept of the dwelling, which is expressed through openness, variety, and color. The home embraces variety to create a dynamic living experience expressive of the client. It is at once austere and cozy, bold and comfortable, says Lee.